How to delete John Lewis account. So if you want to delete your John Lewis account, then first open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Go for the search bar and search for John Lewis. And now you can go for the first search, which is that www.johnlewis.com. You can simply go for the first search and it will take you to the website. So now you can simply go for the upper right, which has that sign in option, and then you can make sure to sign into your account. And once you've signed in, now you can go for my account, which is on the first option. And here on the left, you will have a bunch of options. You can simply scroll down, and under that, you can go for sign in and security. Click on sign in and security. And here, if you want to delete your account, so if you delete your account, then you will lose access to all of these. So if you want to really delete your account, then click on delete account. And here you need to choose a reason why you would like to delete it. And after choosing that, you can simply click on continue. And now if you want to cancel it, then you can go for cancel. But if you want to delete your account, then go for delete account now. So now they've sent an email to the email address which you have used to create your account. And after 7 days, your account will be permanently deleted. Before 7 days, if you log back into your account, then your account will be activated. But if you don't log in for 7 days, then your account will be deleted permanently. So that's how you delete your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.